I promise it was my dryer, not yours. But you should definitely go check the laundry that is in your dryer. It's probably done by now. I absolutely love letting my little ones help whenever they can. This is one of their favorite things to do with me, and it's safe. God, that is satisfying. It's really fun, and I'm definitely going to be making way more of this soap just so I can hear that noise. Lye in itself is very caustic and can burn you until it's saponified into soap. The lye, water, oils, and butters all saponify and make what we see here as a beautiful cold processed soap. I hope you guys have a lovely, blessed day.